people see that sign and they come over here and buy houses. That's how you sell property right there.
I went to lunch with the offensive and defensive coordinator for East Carolina and the Pirate Club guy, and I said, if they accept my offer, I'll rejoin the Pirate Club, and they accepted it.
Pirate Club.
Remember to take the price tags off. How pretty.
So today is Admin Assistance Day, and we have 4 wonderful superheroes around here. So we are going to make sure that they are reminded how much we appreciate them today with some flowers and some gift cards. Yay! Okay. So these are little ice packs. I gave them lunch bags a little while back. So these are little butterfly ice packs for their lunches. We've got her little ice pack.
Really
Of the girls.
All the ladies.
All the ladies.
Oh, the single ladies. Oh, the single ladies.
It is funny. You have to kind of turn in, otherwise you look like you're at the police station.
2, 3.
No tongue. Oh, so funny.
Awesome.
Y'all thank you.
Jarrett, don't stop rolling.
Right beside North Beach, kind of northeast of North Beach Plantation, there's a little street called Harmony Lane. They're raised beach homes, and this gentleman was a referral to me. He was on the market with another agent. It failed to sell. He called me, and we've got it listed. We just listed the property, and he came down from North Carolina and wants to meet me physically. Sometimes I don't ever get to meet my clients. They're out-of-state owners, and we list the property. But he's close enough in North Carolina that he came down to meet me today. So that's what we're doing. Those could go away too. I'd leave that. Leave the dining room piece for sure.
Presidential party arrived.
Coming down the home stretch, Abe Lincoln's about to be assassinated in the narrative I'm listening to.
So I haven't contacted the seller yet. So they've served them dust. I haven't reached back out to them.
Closing today.
Cool. Got your gift there.
Got the little gift. Heading to the closing attorneys later today. That's what it's all about right there. Getting it into the end zone. Have a good one.
5 minutes ago. You know, I would love to tell you that this happens all the time, but it doesn't. And
Oh, really?
And I know we do. We take pride in our service, and I think people just. It's very thoughtful, and I just sincerely appreciate you guys.
welcome. You guys did a great job
taking the
for
time
us.
to do this. It's very nice of y'all.
Oh, we're glad to do it.
Thank you.
Yeah.
We appreciate it.
Thank
You did
you.
a
Especially
wonderful job with
with
us.
a buyer that was interesting in the end, but
So
it's
let me see
okay.
this.
We got it done.
We did. This looks more like you guys. Sparkling. I'll take the
Prosecco, it's
Cabernet, but
really
whatever
good.
she wants.
Yeah.
This is what I love. What Robin says.
Oh.
Like I figured something out on Facebook that she likes
Oh,
birds.
thank you.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yes, you did. I
Nice.
get the Audubon Society.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I
Well,
do.
it's like all the lovely little pictures you were posting.
Good.
But
We
again,
have-
thank you very
Thanks for
much.
coming
Yes,
in. I really
thanks,
appreciate
guys.
Thank you,
Thanks,
Robin.
Appreciate it.
I
Yeah.
hardly ever
Thank
get to
you.
actually to see the people that I
I love your
work with,
videos.
so-
Oh, yes.
Thank you.
And you
Yeah.
were awesome.
Oh,
The help
thank
you were
you.
always. Thank you guys.
All right, thanks
All right.
so much.
Thank you.
Y'all have a good day.
Thanks.
We're coming down the home stretch with our house, getting it on the market, and it is interesting being on that side of it as a real estate agent. We've had a handyman in for a couple days, kind of knocking out everything. Our white fence being painted as we speak. Mulch. Okay, so we got a yard guy coming on Saturday to do some fresh mulch and get the yard looking good. Every spare moment this weekend, I'm taking miscellaneous items out and running it to the storage. Thankfully, we've got a couple storage bins that are like 2 minutes from our house, so that's helpful. So we're probably a week away from having it photographed and being on the market.
It's time to get our home on the market, so we have Healthy Home coming today to do some of the final touches like carpet cleaning and tile and grout cleaning. Then there's a few other checklist items, and then it's time for pictures, hopefully some great showings, and we're going to get this house sold.
We're going to Edgewater. It's a waterway condo community, waterway and golf course community. Really nice. You know, it's got parking underneath, elevator buildings. It's like, I think there's about 12 buildings inside. It's also gated, which is neat. And so we're going to meet somebody on a third floor end unit on the golf course side, Mr. Parks. One of the cool things about Edgewater is not only is it gated, but then once you come to the individual building, you have to punch a code to get into the door. Hey guys. Hello. How you doing? I don't know if it was the day it came out, but I mean, he got a buyer call from our coming soon marketing plan, and he showed him the property, and they wrote an offer, and we got it sold. Yeah, before it hit the MLS. So, and that's not the first time Matt's converted some of our coming soon listings. It's happened at least one other time, if not two other times. And I've got a house right now that's coming soon that he's got some sincere interest from a buyer. It's a good opportunity to